In today's video, I'll show you how to run any hypervisor game in PC. All you have to do is just launch the game using the desktop shortcut and select this number 1, press in keyboard 1 key, again press in keyboard 1 key and this will start restarting your PC and you can able to see this page after pressing the 1 key. You need to press the 7 key in your keyboard to disable this driver signature enforcement. Once you press the 7 key, it will boots up in this page. I will show you guys after that. Once you completed the first step, open the game using the desktop shortcut. We have successfully completed this first step to launch this game. The second step, we can play directly. Just select the second number and the game opens up without having any problem. And this is the right way to launch the game. You need to do this step every time you launch the game after you shut down the PC. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.